What's going on? You ran up here so fast. Huh? You scared Mom was going to leave you? Mommy's not going to leave you. No, Mom's not going to leave you. Even though you ran away the other day and I had to run through all that mud. That was not cool. But I'll never blame you for it. I know you had to go. I know. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's these little things over here? Look at that. Always have to come up. Make sure Mom's not going to get rid of you. Not be in my bed. You have to come up and check. Your baby. Okay. All right. Okay. Hello? Hello?